Hey, this is Kunal, and this is my submission for Project 0 of CS50 web development with Python and JavaScript. So this is Project 0 search. Here are the some requirements. Let's start going to the code, running it. I'm here at index.html. Let's start with the requirements. First requirement, I need to have 3 pages, and on my main page, index.html, I need to have two links for image page and advanced search page. Here's this index.html link for the image search and advanced search. And then next requirement 2. Uh, let's see if this works and its CSS is fine. Hello, Google search. It takes me to the search query for Google, and the input field is rounded and horizontally centered, and the search button is below the input field. Now, next requirement, Google image search page. Let's go to image search page. So here's image.html. The page looks is quite similar to the Google search page. Let's see if it works. It takes me to the valid image search for Google. Next, let's see what's the next requirement. Next requirement is for advanced search page. I need to have 4 input fields. Let us see. This is advanced.html. I have 4 input field. Each input field is labeled. And next requirement number 5. It should be vertically stacked. The 4 options should be vertically stacked, and CSS should look like advanced search. Advanced search button should be blue with white text, and advanced search button is clicked. This should take to the result. Let's see. The advanced search button is blue color with white text field. 4 input fields are vertically stacked. Let's see if it works. Um, it takes me to the result page. Now, sixth requirement is I am feeling lucky button. My main Google search page. Let's go to Google search page and let's go to I am feeling lucky button. YouTube. Nice. And last requirement CSS should resemble Google's own aesthetic. Let's see. Uh, Here the for the Google page, the search bar is rounded, which looks fine, and for the Google's advanced search page, uh, it looks similar. Input labels, input field, label field, similar structure I have given here. And with this, I am assuming my Project 0 has met all requirements. Thank you very much.